Good morning. I'm going to go over the sea surface temperature worksheet as well as the coastal upwelling. So to start off, we have a map of the Monterey Bay. So here's Monterey. The white part is the land. You got Santa Cruz up here. You've got Monterey Bay out here, and then the rest of the ocean. And it's showing a buoy out here that records sea surface temperatures. And there's other ways that they record sea surface temperatures. So what we're doing initially is just looking at where the warmest and coldest water is. And that's what all these numbers are. All these numbers are showing you in Celsius what the temperature of the sea surface is. So here it's 12. Over here it's 10. We're gonna color the map and these temperatures based on this key right here. So for temperatures that are 14 and 13, I'm going to color that red. So I'll do a few for you. And I've got 13, 14, 13, 13, 14. And be as precise as you can, but like you're gonna have a couple mistakes. Like I just did a 12 in red, not a big deal. As long as you're getting most of it correct, we'll be able to see what the trends are. And then I look at the next one and we've got yellow, temperatures 12 to 10. So I take my yellow, I'm gonna go 12, this is all 12. So I'll go through here. And I'm gonna come up through here. Here's some 11s, 10s, 11, 12. Not the 13s, because those would be red. And you're doing all of the numbers on the map, okay? The last segment is blue, where the water temperatures are 9 and 8. And we're doing the colors because it's showing which is the coolest water. 9 and 8 are the coolest waters, and 14 and 13 are the warmest waters. So it looks like I got some 9 and 8 here. 9 and 8. And again, try and keep it as precise as possible. And you're gonna do all the rest of this map to visually see where the warmer and cooler water is. Now this is important because it's gonna describe this process of upwelling. And there's lots of pictures, lots of videos available. But if you see in this image, it shows you what upwelling is and it'll describe it. It starts with these winds that blow along the coast. So this is going from, in our example with Monterey, most of them are going from north to south and they blow along the beaches and the coast. And what that ends up doing is it pushes some of the water, the surface water, out towards the sea. So winds are blowing, gets kind of pushed out to the sea. Well, it has to be replaced by something. So if water's being blown out this way, the only water that can replace it is cold, deep water that comes up. This is upwelling. And this cold, deep water that comes up is very important. It provides a lot of nutrients that the warmer surface water doesn't have. And those nutrients can then feed things like phytoplankton and zooplankton, which are the basis of your food chain. And then everything else above that eats. So this upwelling makes this area very productive. And that's what we'll see with Monterey, is it gets very productive. Lots of fish because you have this cold, nutrient-rich water coming up to the surface. All right, now let's look at the coastal upwelling.